What if the biggest mistake you could make with your money was doing absolutely nothing? Most people believe that keeping their savings safely tucked away is the responsible choice. It feels secure. It feels smart. But while that money sits still, something invisible keeps working against it every single day. Prices slowly rise. Opportunities quietly disappear. Time keeps moving. And without realizing it, many people lose more by avoiding investing than they ever would by learning how to invest the right way. The surprising part is that growing your money safely does not require complicated strategies, expensive advisors, or a huge bank account. In fact, your first $1,000 can teach you lessons that become far more valuable than the money itself. And before this video is over, you will understand why investing is less about taking risks and more about avoiding the risks most people never notice. Imagine two friends starting their financial journey on the very same day. They both save $1,000. The first person proudly leaves the money sitting in a regular savings account because it feels safe. The second person spends a little time learning the basics of investing and chooses simple, low-risk investments designed for long-term growth. Nothing dramatic happens during the first few weeks. Both still have roughly the same amount of money. But then something interesting begins to happen. One person's money stays almost exactly where it started, while the other person's money quietly begins working around the clock. No overtime. No extra job. No late nights. Just money slowly producing more money. At first, the difference is almost impossible to notice. But as time passes, that tiny gap grows wider and wider. Most people never realize this because they only look at today instead of the years ahead. This is where many beginners become confused. They think investing means predicting the stock market, buying mysterious companies, or taking huge risks hoping to become rich overnight. That picture is everywhere. It appears in movies, television, and dramatic headlines. But successful investing usually looks much more ordinary. It looks patient. It looks consistent. It looks almost boring. And strangely enough, boring often wins. Before we talk about where beginners should actually invest, you need to understand one simple idea. Investing is not gambling. Gambling depends mostly on luck and short-term outcomes. Investing depends on ownership and time. When you invest wisely, you are buying tiny pieces of real businesses, real assets, or real opportunities that create value over many years. That difference changes everything. Think about your favorite coffee shop. Every morning people walk through the door, buy drinks, and leave happy. The business earns money whether you are watching or not. Now imagine owning a tiny piece of that business. As it grows, your investment has the chance to grow with it. That is the basic idea behind investing. You are allowing your money to participate in growth instead of sitting on the sidelines. But there is something most people do not understand. Even the safest investment cannot protect someone who constantly makes emotional decisions. Many beginners invest when everyone feels excited, then panic during the first market decline. They sell at exactly the wrong moment. Later, when prices recover, they buy back in after everything has already become more expensive. They accidentally repeat the same cycle again and again. Imagine planting a small tree in your backyard. During the first few months it barely changes. Then a storm arrives. The leaves shake. The branches bend. Would you dig the tree out of the ground because of one storm? Of course not. You know healthy trees survive storms and continue growing. Investments often behave the same way. Short-term movement does not always reflect long-term value. The people who understand this simple truth usually stay calm, while everyone else reacts emotionally. This is why starting small is actually an advantage. Many people postpone investing because they believe they need tens of thousands of dollars before it becomes worthwhile. That belief keeps them stuck for years. The truth is much simpler. Your first investment is not about becoming wealthy overnight. It is about building confidence. It is about learning how markets move, how your emotions react, and how consistency creates momentum. Suppose you invest just a small amount every month. At first, it feels almost insignificant. You might even wonder whether it makes any difference. But every contribution is another employee joining your financial team. Every dollar starts working alongside the others. Over time, those tiny efforts begin creating results that feel surprisingly large. And this is where things start changing. One of the safest approaches for beginners is owning broadly diversified investment funds that spread your money across many different companies instead of relying on just one. Instead of hoping a single business becomes the next giant success story, you participate in the overall growth of hundreds of businesses together. If one struggles, the others continue working. This reduces unnecessary risk while still allowing your money to grow over the long run. Another safe option for many beginners includes high-quality government bonds or other conservative fixed-income investments, especially for money you may need sooner. These investments generally focus more on preserving your savings while providing steady returns. They may not create dramatic headlines, but they serve an important purpose. They help build stability while giving you confidence to continue investing consistently. Notice something interesting. None of these strategies sound exciting. There are no secret formulas. No miracle investments. No promises of becoming a millionaire by next month. And that is exactly why they work for so many people. Real wealth usually grows quietly. If you are enjoying practical investing lessons like this, consider subscribing for more videos about building long-term wealth. And if this explanation is helping simplify investing, leaving a like lets me know to create more videos just like this. Now let us come back to one mistake that quietly destroys progress. Many beginners become obsessed with finding the perfect investment. They spend months reading articles, watching videos, and comparing endless opinions. They wait for certainty that never arrives. Meanwhile, someone else simply starts with a reasonable plan and keeps moving forward. Years later, the person who started imperfectly is often far ahead of the person who waited for perfection. This happens because time matters more than perfection. Imagine two people driving toward the same destination. One spends hours choosing the perfect route, but never leaves the driveway. The other takes a good route immediately and adjusts along the way. Which person arrives first? Investing works in much the same way. Another important lesson surprises almost everyone. The amount you save is important, but your habits matter even more. Someone who invests consistently every month develops discipline. That discipline often leads to better financial decisions everywhere else. They begin spending more intentionally. They think differently before making impulse purchases. They focus less on impressing strangers and more on creating freedom for themselves. Freedom is the real goal. Not expensive watches. Not luxury cars. Not showing off online. Financial freedom means having choices. It means being able to handle unexpected expenses without panic. It means sleeping better because your money is working with you instead of against you. It means creating opportunities for your future self. You do not need to predict the next market crash. You do not need to discover the next revolutionary company before everyone else. You simply need a plan that is simple enough to follow during both good times and difficult ones. Consistency beats excitement. Patience beats panic. Knowledge beats fear. Years from now, you probably will not remember the exact day you made your first investment. But your future self may look back and realize that was the day everything quietly started changing. Not because you suddenly became rich, but because you stopped believing your money could only grow through hard work alone. You finally gave your savings the opportunity to work beside you instead of waiting for you. And perhaps the most powerful lesson of all is this. Investing safely is not about eliminating every possible risk. It is about choosing the right risks while avoiding the silent danger of standing still. Because every year you delay is one less year your money has to grow. If you are ready to take the next step in building lasting wealth, click the video appearing on your screen right now. It will show you how small financial decisions made today can create surprisingly large results in the years ahead, and it may completely change the way you think about money from this point forward.